For the clearing difference is not calling the profit center. It is not deriving the profit center. Okay. So what is company code? Let me
RN01.
check the setting which you have done. Which is the vendor? B11N. Okay. Is this the one? This invoice? For this,
1930.
did you
Yes.
try?
Yes.
Okay, so let me try to make payment for this. FTS 53. Okay.
Huh.
So how much is the total amount? 5,000. So I'll give 4,990, right?
Huh. That's
Hmm.
right.
Value date is the required field. Okay, so I'm getting 10 rupees difference. Let me simulate, and so it is fetching the payment difference,
Mm.
but you're saying it has no profit center. Okay.
Mm.
Now let me simulate in the general ledger view. Okay, no, it is not there.
No.
Now let me check the settings, config settings, what you have done. Financial accounting new, then go to general ledger accounting,
Master data.
master data, profit center, then assign default profit center account. RN01 is your company code.
Huh.
Okay. So, okay. And controlling area is RN00, right?
Yes.
This is strange. Why it is not working? This is your
Recon
payment
GL.
difference. This
241.
has to this has to be the for GL account for which you want the default profit center,
Means the payment
right?
difference GL.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, it has to be this GL account.
Okay.
Okay, you want to see for other company code
Mm.
T01. See what is this? This is payment difference GL account. Okay, let us check this. Right, this is payment differential account.
Okay.
Yeah, so the understanding is that we want to give default profit center for the particular GL account for which we want to determine the default profit center in the automatically created postings.
Hmm.
So, right, so there is no concept of reconciliation GL account and all.
Okay.
So, yeah, that was the mistake. RN01. I'm going to delete this. So see, there is nothing written like recon GL account. You can give the series from account to account if you have a couple of GL accounts in the series, so that
Huh.
you can give. Otherwise, one by one you can maintain here. If
Okay.
like those are not in the order, so yeah, that's basic thing. So now your GL account is this one. and save it. Now let me go back and try to simulate this again. Okay, I got it here. Maybe we may have to start from the beginning, but let us try.
Hmm. It is coming.
Yeah, it is coming, right?
Ah,
But will come in the general ledger view, in the entry view or not? Test 53, let me see. I think this will come in the entry also. This is not part of document splitting, right? So
ah,
this should also come in the entry view because is the correct one? Vendor, yeah. So I
yeah.
think this is the one. Mm, what happened? Okay, required entry again. So this is general ledger view. And if I go to entry view simulation, I'm getting here, but here it is not showing. So let me try to post the document and then we will see. So I have posted the document. Now go to display
Hmm.
and we
Yes.
can see, right?
Yes. Hmm.
So this is getting updated here, default profit center.
Hmm.
And now if you go to general ledger view, so there definitely this will. So
Hmm.
you can do sum and subtotal. This is profit center 1, bank domestic vendor, profit center 3, and for payment difference it is profit center, default profit center. Fine, so this is working fine and no problem in this.